Exercise 9.3. Question number 1. Put greater than or equal to sign in the boxes. Number 1. 9 upon 11 and 9 upon 14. Here two fractions are given that we have to compare which one is greater. So see, numerator means above the bar line the number is there, that is the numerator, and below the bar, that is denominator. So here in first fraction numerator is 9 and denominator is 11, and in second fraction numerator is 9 and denominator is 14. So here see, in two fractions numerators are same, 9 9. So when numerators are same, so what we have to do, we have to compare the fraction with smaller denominator is greater. So what here we have to write, the fraction with smaller denominator is greater. So when numerator are same, so we have to see the denominator which one is smaller. So between 11 and 14, which one is smaller? Yes, 11. So 9 upon 11 is greater than 9 upon 14. Now number 2, 3 upon 8, 5 upon 8. Here see, numerator is 3 and denominator is 8 in first fraction, and in second fraction numerator is 5 and denominator is 8. So here both the denominators are same. So when both the denominators are same, so we have to compare the numerators. So between 3 and 5, which one is the greater? 5. So we will sign this way. So 5 upon 8 is greater than 3 upon 8. Now number 3, 4 upon 6. Numerator is 4 and denominator is 6. And here numerator is 6 and denominator is 9. So we have to see that 4 upon 6, this we have to make it, we can make it in a smaller number also. This both can come in a same table, 4 and 6. In 2 table it will come, yes. So 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. Same way 6 upon 9, this also come in 3 table, 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. So 2 upon 3, and here also same 2 upon 3. So if both what it will become equal. So we will write equal to sign. Now number 4, 7 upon 8 and 5 upon 9. So here numerator is 7 and denominator is 8. Here numerator is 5 and denominator is 9. So here in the both the fractions, numerators are different and denominators are different. So how we will compare? First we will make the denominator same. So to make denominator same, what we will do, we will take out a LCM. What we will take out? LCM of denominator 8 and 9. So 8 and 9. So 8 will come in 2 table, 2 4s are 8. 9 will come? No. So we will carry down its same. In 2 table 4 will come? Yes. 2 2s are 4. Again 9 we will carry down. Now 2 1s are 2. Now 9. Now we will move to 3 table. In 3 table 9 will come? Yes. 3 3s are 9. Then 3 1s are 3. Okay. So LCM equal to 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 3. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 3s are 24. 24 3s are, so 24 3s are, 3 4s are 12. So 2 we will write down, 1 will be carried over. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 7. So LCM equal to 72. So our first fraction is 7 upon 8. I want here denominator should be 72. We have to make the denominator same, 72. So what we will multiply to 8, that we will get denominator 72. See here, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Now 3 3s are 9. This much 8 happened. Now what is left there? 3 3s are 9. So here we will multiply 9. So 8 9s are 72. Yes. So whichever number we are multiplying with denominator, same we will multiply with numerator also. So here we multiplied 9. So same in denominator, in numerator also we will multiply with 9. So 7 9s are 63. Now next fraction is 5 upon 9. So same way here also denominator should be 72. So here 9 is there. So what I will multiply to get denominator 72? Here 3 3s are 9. So which number is left now? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So we will multiply with 8. Yes. So 9 8s are 72. So here in denominator we multiplied 8. So in numerator also we will multiply with 8. So 8 5s are 40. Now both the denominator are same. Now we have to compare 63 upon 72 and 40 upon 72. Both the denominators are same. So we will compare the numerators between 63 and 40. Which one is the greater? Yes, 63. So in place of 63 upon 72 we will write 7 upon 8 greater than 5 upon 9. So this way we have to compare. Now number 5, 2 upon 3 and 3 upon 5. Here also in both fraction numerators are different and denominators are different. So to make denominator same, first we will take out LCM of denominator 3 and 5. So 3 and 5 both are odd number and it will not come in 2 table. So we will move to 3 table. 3 1s are 3. So this 5 we will carry down. In 3 table 5 will not come. And we will write now 5 1s are 5. So LCM equal to 3 multiplied by 5. So 3 5s are 15. Now first fraction is 2 upon 3 and we want denominator 15. So with 3 what we will multiply? 3 5s are 15. So with 3 what multiplied? 5. So here also we will multiply 5. So in denominator we are multiplying with 3 5. So in numerator also we have to multiply with 5. So 2 5s are 10. Now second fraction is 3 upon 5. So here also in denominator we want 15. So here 5 is there. Now which number is left? 3. So here we will multiply with 3 to get denominator 15. 5 3s are 15. So in denominator we multiplied with 3. So in numerator also we will multiply with 3. Now 3 3s are 9. 9 upon 15. Now 10 upon 15 and 9 upon 15. So both the denominators are same. Yes. Now we have to compare numerator between 10 and 9. Which one is the greater? Yes, 10 upon 15 is the greater. Okay. So in place of 10 upon 15 we will write 2 upon 3. And in place of 9 upon 15 we will write 3 upon 5. So 2 upon 3 is greater than 3 upon 5. Now next number 6. 3 upon 8 and 3 upon 11. Here see numerator both are same in both the fractions. Okay, 3 and 3. So when numerators are same, so the fractions with smaller denominator is greater. So now denominator are 8 and 11. So which one is smaller? When numerators are same. So we have to see the denominator. Which one is small? 8. So 3 upon 8 is greater than 3 upon 11. Now question number 2. Write the smaller fraction in the following pairs. Here we have to make the smaller fraction. We have to find out smaller fraction from the pairs. So first one is 7 upon 10 and 3 upon 10. Here see both the denominators are same, 10 and 10. So when denominators are same, so how we will compare the fractions? We will compare with numerators. So between 7 and 3, which one is the smaller? Yes, 3. So our answer is 3 upon 10 is smaller fraction. Now number 2, 5 upon 7 and 5 upon 13. Here in both the fractions, now here numerators are same. So when numerators are same, so we will compare denominator, which one is smaller, that is greater. Okay, which one is smaller, that is greater. Here we have to find the smaller fractions. So the which denominator is smaller between 7 and 13? 7 means 5 upon 7 is greater, and which one is now smaller? 5 upon 13 is smaller. So we will write answer 5 upon 7 is greater than 5 upon 13. So we will write, so 5 upon 3 is smaller fraction. Now number 3, 2 upon 3 and 3 upon 4. So here see, here numerators are different and denominators are different of both the fractions. So what we will do, we will have to make the denominator same. For that we will take out LCM of denominator 3 and 4. So 3 and 4. So 4 is there. So 4 will come in 2 table first. So 2 2s are 4. So 2 2s are 4. Then 2 1s are 2. Now this 3 is there. So 3 will come in 3 tables. So 3 1s are 3. So now LCM equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. So LCM equal to 12. So now first fraction is 2 upon 3. So we want here denominator 12. So in 3 what we will multiply to get 12? So here 3 is there. So which numbers are left? 2 and 2. So 2 2s are 4. So here we will multiply 4. So to get denominator 12, 3 4s are 12. So whichever number we are multiplying with denominator, that only we will multiply in numerator also. So in down we multiplied 4, in numerator also we will multiply 4. So 2 4s are 8. Now next fraction is 3 upon 4. So we want denominator 12. So in 4 what we will multiply? So 2 2s are 4. Now which number is left? 3. So we will write here 3. So 4 3s are 12. So in numerator also we will multiply by 3. So 3 3s are 9. So fractions are 8 upon 12 and 9 upon 12. Now here denominator becomes same, 12 12. Yes. So we have to compare now 8 and 9. So which one is the smallest? 8 upon 12. So in place of 8 upon 12 we will write 2 upon 3. We will write 2 upon 3 and 9 upon 12 we will write 3 upon 4. So which one is the smallest now? 2 upon 3. So answer 2 upon 3 is a smaller fraction. Now number 4, 5 upon 7 and 7 upon 9. So here also in both the fraction numerators are different and denominators are different. So we will take LCM of denominator 7 and 9. So in 2 table both will not come 7 and 9 because they are odd numbers. So 9 will come in 3 table. So we will carry down 7 same. So 3 3s are 9. So again 7 will come down. Then 3 1s are 3. Then we will take 7 1s are 7. So LCM equal to 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7. So 3 3s are 9. 9 7s are 63. So LCM equal to what? 63. Now fraction is 5 upon 7. So we want denominator 63. So what we will multiply with 7 to get denominator 63? Here 7 is there. So which number are left? 3 3s are 9. So we will multiply 9 to 7 to get 63. 7 9s are 63. So whichever number we are multiplied with denominator, that we will multiply in numerator also. So we will multiply 9 in numerator. 5 9s are 45. Now second fraction is 7 upon 9. So we want denominator 63. So here 3 3s are 9. So which number is left? 7. So we will multiply with here 7. 9 7s are 63. In denominator also we will multiply with 7. So 7 7s are 49. So fractions 45 upon 63 and 49 upon 63. So here denominator becomes same. So we have to compare the numerator 45 and 49. Between 45 and 49, which one is the smallest? Yes, 45. 45 is the smallest. So in place of 45 upon 63, we will write 5 upon 7. And in place of 49 upon 63, we will write 7 upon 9. So which fraction is smallest? 5 upon 7. So 5 upon 7 is smallest fraction. Now number 5, 8 upon 9 and 10 upon 11. Here also in both the fractions, numerators are different and denominators are different. So first we will take LCM to make denominator same. So denominators are 9 and 11. So 9 and 11 we will take the LCM. So first we will start from 3 table. 3 3 is 9. So 11 will not come in 3 table. So we will carry down same. Then 3 1s 3. 11 will come in 11 table. 11 1s 11. So LCM equal to 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 11. 3 3s 9. 9 11s 99. So LCM we got 99. So our fraction is 8 upon 9. So we want denominator 99. So here 3 3s 9. So which number is left here to make 99? 11. So we will multiply with 11 here. So in numerator also we will multiply 11. So 9 11s 99 and 8 11s 88. Now next fraction is 10 upon 11. We want here denominator should be 99. So 11 is there. Now which number is left? 3 3s 9. So we will multiply with 9 here. So we will get 99. 11 9s 99. So in numerator also we will multiply with 9. 10 9s 90. So fractions 88 upon 99 and 90 upon 99. Here both the denominators are same. So we have to compare the numerators 88 and 90. So which one is the smallest? 88 is the smallest. So in place of 88 upon 99 we will write 8 upon 9. 8 upon 9 and 90 upon 99 we will write 10 upon 11. So 8 upon 9 is the smallest fraction. Smallest fraction. Now number 6, 13 upon 14 and 15 upon 16. Here also in both the fractions numerators are different and denominators are different. So we will take LCM of 14 and 16 to make denominator same. So 14 16. So both are even number. They will come in 2 table. Yes, 2 7s 14. Then 2 8s 16. Now 8 will come in 2 table. Yes, so 2 4s 8. Then 2 again will come in 4 again will come in 2 table. 2 2s 4. Then 2 1s 2. Now 7 left. 7 will come in 7 table. 7 1s 7. So now LCM equal to 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 7. How many 2s? 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 2 2s 4. 4 2s 8. 8 2s 16. 16 7s 112. So we want here denominator 112. So first fraction is 13 upon 14. So we want here denominator 112. So with 14 what we will multiply to get 112? So see 7 2s 14. So remaining which numbers are there? 2 2s 4. 4 2s 8. So we will multiply here 14. 8s 112. And whatever we are multiplying in denominator that we will multiply in numerator also. So 8 we will multiply with 13. Now 13 8s. So 13 8s 104. Now second fraction is 15 upon 16. So we want denominator 112. So here 16 is there. So what we will multiply to get 112? So let's see, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. Till here 16. Now which number is left? 7. So we will multiply 7 to get 112. 16 7 so 112. So in numerator also we will multiply 7. So 15 7 is 105. So our fractions are 104 upon 112 and 105 upon 112. So your denominator becomes same. So now compare numerator 104 and 105. So which one is the smaller? 104. So in place of 104 upon 112 we will write 13 upon 14. 13 upon 14, and in place of 105 upon 112 we will write 15 upon 16. So which one is the smallest? 13 upon 14. So we will write answer 13 upon 14 is smaller fraction.